Jonah is in the belly of the fish, he did not come out like the Jonah that went in. And sometimes, as Christians, we bear the marks of the things that God has done in our lives. And Jonah, he went into the fish, and when he came out, his hand didn't look like my hands right now, but I'm having some strips. What do you call it? Eczema. Sometimes my fingers strip, especially in the summer. And I remember once I was stripping all over, and I was addicted to Benadryl. I had to take Benadryl all the time. And one day the dealer said, "Chris, you can't continue taking Benadryl like that." And so I said, "That's true." And I decided I'm going to pray and I'm going to trust God to heal me in spite of all the fact that my skin is stripping. And somebody looked at my hand and said, "What's going on with your hand?" I said, "I'm being healed." And the truth is, I was completely healed. My skin wasn't shedding anymore. And after being affected by everything related to, I couldn't eat anything from a can, I couldn't eat anything from this, I was totally 100% healed. But at the time, I was showing the marks of my healing. And sometimes when you are a Christian, you are going to walk with a limp because you are experiencing the pain and the birth pain that God has brought you through. And you might have gone through some things in your life, and those things that you have gone through in your life have just brought you to the place where now you are ready to share the gospel because you've had this experience in your life in the past.